Well, today's Monday, another Mustang Monday. I started, don't have the boy with me today, so it's just me doing it. So I figured do some structural repairs. So we got the other side started for the frame brace. Got that all done. And then cut this out to the front inner bumper. There's the old one. You can see there's a heck of a lot left to it, so figured a nice piece of 2x3 tube steel should do it good. So just getting that fit up and hopefully get that done by tomorrow. And then over there, add another patch. So as you can see, there wasn't much left of these front frame runners. So and plus, if we ever want to put a bigger horsepower motor in it, you're going to want some extra frame in there. So now's the time to do it. We're patching her all with quarter. Got to do that side as well. Gonna wrap all the way across to here, upper, and probably lower. We'll see. The same way here. So this is all laid out because that's where the battery was. Hopefully she'll be good. Now it's the end of Monday. I got this all tacked up, ready for weld out. So that looks a lot better than before. And I come in here. Now you don't see daylight. That's wrapped. Same way here. So I had to do the bottom side of this one. That was completely gone. So as you can see, that was what was left. So it's pretty ugly. The other side's pretty good though. So I think just the battery acid on that one. So that should hold up for a while anyway. Yep. Now I'll start the rear frame and finish welding out a lot of this. Weld out this point, fixing all the structural stuff. So it's starting to look pretty good. Almost road ready. And that's day 2, and it's Tuesday. Brian is gonna be welding all day long. Again.
Make it sound more exciting than it is.
Yeah. Well, he's got new glass in his hood today, so you can see better. You feel like you can weld any better now, Brian?
Yeah, just quicker.
Good answer. We got that going on. And while he's doing that, I'm trying to build me a frame arch. Get the contour gauge, a piece of welding wire. That should get me in the ballpark. Try to fix straight up in here. I just can't see shit. Right up there, you see there's a little fracture, so I'm just gonna go all the way up this whole arch. Fix that. Patch it. It'll be a lot stronger. That side looks good, so there's him up there, waddled up inside of the engine bay. Well, he's back to pan weld. I think he got bored of the front welding. Either he just realized he got to finish welding it. Okay. Pretty sure that's the case. I got most of it done up here. Starting to get to where you get half-ass weld. It looks pretty ugly in there, but I'm sure considering. Got that. Just got done making the frame wrap here. Got a piece of 2x4 to wrap the radius. Hopefully that should be strong enough anyway. That's going to be plain strong. So it fits pretty good. More welding of the frame. Brian.
It's gone.
Hey.
I got it solid like you wanted.
That's good.
It's ugly, but you know.
Ugly holds.
Pain in the ass.
Looks are secondary to performance. And what we got back here? Gotta try to fix this ugly mess. Crooked. And both sides of it. We'll see what we can do with that. You ready to call it quits, Brian?
Almost. Got this hole.
Oh boy. Yeah, I see it going through there.
Got that hole. 99 more to go.
Yeah.
Oh. I welded until my welder was sore. The cat gave up before I did, Miller.
It's good. It actually started working again, so I don't know. Must technology or
Probably a better, more consistent with the stick because it's constantly on. So
yeah,
it's
just
not
the flash shit. I don't think it likes it, but yeah. At least you got the back half done. What do you have to say for yourself at the end of week 6?
My joints hurt.
Yes.
That's probably probably today was the most welding we'll do on the car.
Yeah, after this, it's over. It's
I
just
thought it'd be
get
that
the
one day,
pan.
but I did even more today.
Yeah.
Front's done. Back's on its way.
Yeah.
This is probably like 75% done, if not more.
You can tell there's new frame runners.
Put the second one in.
I just got one more over here to do on the other side and sister it up because you can see she was bowed down probably an inch in the middle. So in order for her back pieces to fit nice, we got to add bracing. So we got that. So we're almost ready to set the trunk. And up here at the front, we still got that nice beefy hole to fill. We got up to here, this front new rail end. It's all welded out. She looks pretty ugly, but that's what paint's for. We got that one in there too, with all the holes for the pitman arm. And you missed a spot.
Where's that?
Right in there. Nice crack.
Oh, in the middle.
Yeah. On top and bottom. Oh well. That's next week. What do you have to say for that?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Too tired.
So as you can see,
Oh yeah, I did.
she's gorilla size now. Yeah. She'll hold the 440 just yet.